Good morning, students. Today we are going to have a quick review on neat questions, materials. Okay. So, which of the following is a characteristic of all living things? All living things need oxygen. All living things grow. All living things will move. All living things will breathe. For all living things will grow. This is the right answer. Okay. So, which of the following means making more of the same kind of organism? It is reproduce. Okay, the answer is reproduce. If there is an increase in mass, what has happened? Is it reproduction or response to a stimulus, use energy or growth? It is the growth. Okay, what is the stimulus in the following situation? Over several weeks, what is the stimulus in the following situation? All the students begin to pack up after the lunch bell rings. The lunch bell ringing, students begin to pack. There is no stimulus in the situation and all the students. These are all the options. So which is the right answer? Lunch bell ringing. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a living thing? All living things move by using energy. What is the response in the following situation? Over several weeks, a tomato plant grows towards the window with the sunlight shining through. டொமேட்டோ பிளான்ட் இருக்கு அது ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும் கொஞ்ச நாள்ல கொஞ்சம் வாரங்கள்ல என்ன ஆகும் சன்லைட் எங்க அடிக்குதோ எங்க கிடைக்குதோ டுவர்ட்ஸ் தட் tomato plant will grow. Okay, so the answer is tomato plant growing. Which of the following is not considered a living thing? Fire. What is the basic unit of life? Cells. What is the stimulus in the following situation? Your alarm clock rings in the morning and you wake up to get ready for school. Okay, so which one? Getting ready for school, is that the stimulus? No. Alarm clock rings? Yes, that is the stimulus. Alarm அடிக்குது அப்படிங்கிறது தான் உங்களோட first stimulus இருக்கும். Okay. What are the 5 characteristics used by scientists to classify something as living or non-living thing? The answer is growth and development, use of energy, made of cells, reproduction, response to stimuli. Okay, this is the 5 characteristics in order. Okay, so all of the following items display movement, which is the one of the characteristics of a living thing. Which item is considered as an abiotic factor or a non-living thing? The answer is messy here. All are living things. Only a candy paper blowing in the wind is a non-living thing. Okay, answer is a candy wrapper blowing in the wind. Okay, which characteristic of living things can be viewed using a microscope? Obviously, it is cell here. Okay, living things are made up of cells. Okay, you shine a flashlight in your friend's eyes and observe the people relating. Okay, which characteristic of living things have you observed? Suddenly என்ன ஆகும் living things will respond to stimuli in the environment. Okay, see these questions, just read out this. Identify which characteristic of living thing is being described in each of the statements below. Some may be used for more than one. Okay, இந்த இருக்கிற characteristic இங்க list out பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, இது எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க ஓகே அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம கேரக்டரைஸ் வந்து பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ all living things contain cells. இது question number A வந்துட்டு all living things contain cells. Okay, here you can see an amoeba is a unicellular organism. So unicellularனா single cell. So எல்லா living thingsம் contain cells அப்படின்றத இதுக்கு பொருந்துமா? Will it match here? Yes, of course. So the option here is A. Got it? Okay, for the second one, when a human steps out in the cold, air, the body begins to shiver in order to keep its temperature at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So in this situation, which character fits into this situation? The second situation, check. About cells? No. About DNA? No. All living things obtain and use energy? No. All living things reproduce? No. All living things respond to stimuli? No. All living things maintain an internal balance? Yes. So internal balance is maintained here. Okay. So the answer is F here. Okay, like that you have to answer these questions. Okay. Please go through this. Okay, one by one. So dash is the study of microorganism, this microbiology, and protecting species from going extinct is called what? Conservation biology. Another word for living things is organism. Dash is the process of producing new organisms of the same type as reproduction is the answer here. The fill-ups may see here the highlighted, I mean the bold letters are the answers for these questions. Okay, this is the answer here. The place where living beings live is called their dash. The answer is habitat. Okay, in cactus, it's not cactus, cactus. Okay, in cactus plant leaves are reduced to spines. So, which is reduced to spines? Which part? Leaves. That is the answer here. Okay. Similarly, go through all the questions here. Okay, and prepare well for the NEET test. Okay. Thank you.